Our second element in how we measure a wave is called amplitude. An amplitude is the vertical measurement of the waveform itself. It is a reference level that's referenced to no sound on an average human, and it's measured in decibels. It's also equivalent to volume. So volume is more of a reference of high or low, while amplitude actually does have a measurement, but it's referenced against no sound. And that's how that measurement is made. Additionally, if we were then to change the amount of cycles per second of the wave, it wouldn't affect how we measure the amplitude. In this example, the wave is just as loud, but it has a different frequency.